Mackenzie?
Never better.
Never been better?
Never been better.
This is day one. We're almost there.
It's like hour one.
Only 2 more days. All right, so this is day one of our 4-day trek to a place called the Lost City. It's a 4-day trek in the northwestern Colombian rainforest, jungle, forest. It may not be rainforest, but it's pretty damn humid, if you can't tell. We are leaking.
I'm so okay. I have liters of sweat on me.
Yeah. Yeah, we're about 2 hours in, a little less than 2 hours in. Camping overnight tonight and tomorrow night. And on day 3, we reach the city. It's hot, it's humid. Well, made it to camp, night 1. This is the sleeping digs. Pretty first class, if you ask me.
Michaela?
Michaela. Hola, Michaela. Hola. Good morning. It's day 2. Little 5 a.m. wake up.
Oh yeah.
Bright and early. How long did we hike for yesterday?
We were going for about 4 hours and covered about 10.5 kilometers. Got about 850 meters of elevation. So it was a pretty solid day, but that was our easy day. Today we have 8
more hours
of hiking. So yeah, buckle up.
Let's get it.
As you can see, it is the start of the stairs. It is possible that some steps can be a little bit slippery or smaller than normal. Also, if it is so inclinated, don't hesitate to crawl up if it is necessary. And let's try to keep a prudent distance between you and the person in front for avoiding falling down, you know, domino effect. Yeah, for security. So let's do it.